Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to allow user to enter number or numeric value in the format of 0.00 in WPForms plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in form page and this is our number field. Now go to form builder. So click on number field and then you see general advanced. So click on advanced and then scroll down, you see option input mask. So we are going to add value. Now paste and then you see alias currency and you will find this value in video description or in comment section and then click on save. Now form save done. Go to form page and refresh the page and then you see number field, hover on it and then you see format 0.00. So now we are going to add some number. Now 1, now you see 1.00. So this is our format. Now 45.22. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.